Okay, come with me as I show you the sauna steps, or the way that I've been trying to do it lately, where we do shaky plate and then the sauna. I'm filming this at the end, so I'm already nice and sweaty, so come along with me as we get it ready. Okay, for the sauna, I come out. I do not always do this, but this is what I'm trying to get in the habit of. If I'm wanting to do it quicker and not sit in while it warms up, I go ahead, I turn it on. I try to leave my ladle upside down. I'm gonna take this bucket, there's already water in it. If there wasn't, I would take the water with me, put water in, and then go to the shaky plate and come back with water once it's really hot. That allows me to not sit in the sauna as long. It's 10, I'll get in it when it's about 60, 65. Okay, then shaky plate for 15 minutes. Now, whoop, I'm back. Oh, this thing heats up so quickly. It's been longer than 15 minutes, but it's 70 degrees Celsius, which is what I like. Okay, so I'm gonna put down, it's hard to film and do, put down my farm book, my towel. We always try to sit on a towel. I usually put my cup on a towel as well, so that if you sweat, well, when you sweat, you don't sweat too much in the wood. Got my little sand timer, I'll flip it. I try to sweat, I'm gonna take my glasses off, sit them in the floor so they don't change shape. You can pretty much, on this bench, you can put your phone if you want to listen to something, or the floor. I'm gonna flip the timer and I try to stay at least 20 minutes. Okay, there you have it. That is basically what we try to do as of lately. Studies show 4 times a week or daily, you get the best results at 18 or more minutes. You need to check your body, notice how much you're sweating, notice your water, or watch my other video on Nora T. Let's see the temperature. It's still a little under 80. Had to open the door. I do not like to get in it much past 85 degrees Celsius, just because I can be pretty sensitive to the heat. I think we have gotten into it up to 90, but that's really hot. So 85 is still pretty hot. It starts to burn when you breathe in and all the things. So yeah, so that is what we try to do. 4 days a week would be great, but you know your body, you need to work your way up to it and do it, you know, listen to your body. If you can't go 20 minutes, don't go 20 minutes. But I'm just telling you, 4 days a week, 18, 20 minutes is the goal.